Hi, I'm AC Coppens, founder of the Catalyse agency and curator of the entertainment program of the MediaTech Hub Conference, taking place in the musical studio Babelsberg in the fantastic Rotor Cinema on November 10th and 11th this year, 2021. As always, we go where innovative tech intertwines with creative content and inquire with experts. What are the big questions for storytellers, filmmakers, tech teams behind the screen, but also distributors, streamers, creative technologists. And we navigate these questions through a structured journey of 2 days, starting with the production block, this year followed by the virtual production block. Not sure how long this will be separated. And day 2 is dedicated to data and AI, and this is up for the first time, before moving to distribution. So let me take you through some of the highlights of the conference. We start with the next level in tech, a very high level actually, with Michael Cioni of Frame.io back in the house to speak about what he excels at: efficient workflows to enhance creativity. And he will be joined by Marianne Carpentier, CTO of the Newen Group. And it will be super great to hear the two perspectives, the Hollywood and the European ones, on newest tech improvements. Before moving on to check what's happening in Germany, how German production can use tech for success, for which I invited Tim Greve of Constantin Films, who will discuss with Rowan de Pommeret of the DPP what do we need, if we need to change anything in Germany and probably in Europe, to move from more traditional ways of creating content and shape the future of film production, which is of course already happening today. And the afternoon, we will dig into virtual production to inquire if this is what will be only for Hollywood or also a good investment with great impact on productivity and creativity for smaller production. And we have the CEO of mixed reality production studio Hello Stage here, Eric Wolf, and Hasrav Hasdolul of Has Film. And Has is really everywhere when it's about virtual production. Check his LinkedIn. We will also have Janneke Mikkelsen. She is creating next-gen tech for movies shot in remote and crazy environments like Arctic, oceans, in space. And Janneke will also give a workshop in virtual production. Then we will start day 2 with a Supercharge in advertising, how AI ad insertion and in-stream shopping are changing the game. And I was always curious to explore the link between metadata from production and the new ways of monetizing content, which I believe will be a game changer for the future of advertising on entertainment platforms. On day 2 also, everything is really super. We have, after the Supercharge, we have super intelligence. What else when we talk about AI? Well, we will check what is happening and coming in film and TV with AI experts in different fields, going from beyond the brief, like iSize, Largo AI, the ethnological field with Publicum, and also critical perspective with Sarah Spiekerman, who will certainly ask, how far do we want to go with AI in film and TV? Then I will have the pleasure, not only as a curator, but host, to interview the legendary Ted Hope. Do I need to present him to you film professionals? Not really, right? Well, you all know he's the ex-co-head of movies at Amazon Studio, of course, but best known for his first production company, Good Machine, and now leading Double Hope with his wife, Vanessa. We will talk about independent film making, film production in the streaming age. Do the streamers really want to help us find what we're looking for, or are they simply making us like what they're offering? And what's in for indies then? This will be a great prep for the next session about matchmaking stories and audiences, how tech helps win the viewer's heart. And we will have a 360 perspective with an academic, Grana Progregna, who co-authored the study on using emotional arcs of movie to drive innovation in entertainment, but also Romain Eudes of Uteli, one startup who is actually the fuel of the search engine for the sector. And to close the loop, we will have the distribution story link with Film Market Hub. Talking about distribution, we will close the day with a German look on Team Germany in the race for streamers. How are broadcasters and private companies doing in this pitiless international platforms race? What are the strategies of the different actors? I think it's going to be really interesting, and I'm really curious to hear this and to hear all of this during these 2 days. Of course, as a curator, there is nothing more exciting than seeing the ideas of the program coming to life. So check it with me, November 10th, 11th, Studio Babelsberg, and online, obviously. See you there.